Welcome to Tech World. Today, I will tell you about iPhone 18 Pro Max design and all news leaks. Let's get started. The iPhone 18 Pro Max and iPhone 18e leaks are finally here. From the powerful A20 Pro chip to DSLR-level camera upgrades and futuristic display technology. A20 Apple may be preparing its biggest iPhone revolution ever. Watch till the end for all rumored features, prices, and release dates. According to leaks, the iPhone 18 Pro Max could feature Apple's most futuristic design yet. The biggest rumored change: a much smaller dynamic island or possibly under-display Face ID, meaning the phone may finally feel like a true full-screen device. Apple is also expected to improve the titanium body, making it lighter and stronger. And rumors suggest Apple is working on a new anti-reflective display technology that could dramatically improve outdoor visibility. If these leaks are real, the iPhone 18 Pro Max might become Apple's best-looking phone ever. The biggest upgrade could be the new A20 Pro chip. Leaks suggest it may use advanced 2nm technology. That means faster gaming, better battery life, less overheating, and massive AI improvements. Apple is reportedly pushing AI features harder than ever before. The phone may be able to enhance photos automatically, improve voices in videos, and deliver real-time translation much faster. The iPhone 18 Pro Max may become more than a smartphone. It could become a portable AI machine. Now let's talk about the most important feature: the camera. Leaks claim Apple may introduce a variable aperture lens. This is the kind of technology normally found in DSLR cameras. The benefit? The lens automatically adjusts depending on lighting conditions, which means better night photography, cinematic background blur, and more professional-looking videos. This could put Apple into direct competition with Sony and Samsung cameras. Rumors also suggest Apple could improve 8K cinematic video recording. For content creators, this phone could become an absolute dream device. Now here's the surprise: the iPhone 18e. This phone could target people who want the iPhone experience but don't want to pay Pro Max prices. Expected features include a lighter version of Apple's new chip, a simpler camera system, or its standard display technology at a more affordable price. But Apple might make one dangerous move. The iPhone 18e could become the most powerful budget iPhone ever released. According to leaks, the iPhone 18 Pro Max could launch in September 2026. Expected price around $1,400 to $1,700. Meanwhile, the iPhone 18e may arrive in 2027, and its price could start around the $700 range. If Apple actually delivers these features, the smartphone industry could change forever. So which one are you waiting for? The iPhone 18 Pro Max or the budget killer iPhone 18e? Let me know in the comments.